failed. Not KFC. We all are human-ish here. I've been sick. God forbid next time. I'm not even gonna get sick again. I'm mad. And I can talk, that means I can tutor. So, yeah. Hey mathematicians, it's T here, your YouTube math tutor. I hope you guys have been feeling good this week. I can't lie, I'm gonna come clean. I failed. I failed my New Year's resolution. Oh my god. But I'm not gonna be a failure to my New Year's resolution. So if we make a mistake, we pick ourselves back up and we go again and we fight harder and we make sure we do better. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I found my New Year's resolution, but we're still gonna have math sessions on a Monday. I was sick, so allow me, yeah. I was really sick, so yeah. We're gonna go straight in today with dividing fractions. It is a 2-in-1 topic. So I kind of make up for last week, really, because I'm giving you 2-in-1 today, yeah? So you'll see how it's 2-in-1 a bit later on in the video. All you need to know is how to multiply, and you need to know what a fraction is, and that's really it, yeah? So with that all out the way, let's get into the video. To divide fractions, we need to know the KCF method, yeah? Not KFC, KCF. K stands for keep. C is for change, and F is for flip, and I will explain this using an example in a sec. So let's have a number. We're going to say 2/7, and we're going to divide that by 3/4. Yeah. So the first step we've got to do is the K step, and the K step is keep. So we're going to keep whatever's in the keep column. Yeah. So 2/7 is going to remain 2/7, yeah? Now we look into the next column, which is change, our C column. So we change the division sign, and we're actually going to change it to a multiplication sign, yeah? So now it's 2/7 times, and now we need to flip this. I think you can kind of see how we're going to flip a fraction, but if you don't know, we're just going to put the bottom, the denominator to the top, and the numerator to the bottom. So now we've changed it to a multiplying fractions question, which if you already know how to do it, then this is light work for you. If you don't, like I said, it's a 2-in-1 topic today. So I'm going to show you now. So when you're timesing a fraction, you literally just times the top numbers together, the numerators, and you're going to times the bottom numbers together, the denominators, which I'll show you. So 2 times 4 is going to be our new numerator. And then 7 times 3 is going to be our new denominator. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 7 times 3 is 21. That's literally it. Keep, change, flip. You keep the first fraction, you change the symbol from a division to a multiplication, and then you flip the last fraction. Not too hard. We don't want to bust our brains. It's not every day bust your brains for maths, you know? Sometimes keep it chill. Here's some examples for you to try. Feel free to pause the video and have a go at them, and then resume the video when you are ready to find out the answers. Alright, welcome back. Let's get straight into it. So, 2/3. So I'm going to rewrite the question over here. 2/3 divided by 9/10. We want to do the KCF method. Okay, so first thing we do is we keep 2/3. So I'm going to write it underneath 2/3. We're going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And then we're going to flip the last fraction in the equation. Now we're just going to times them out. So 2 times 10 is 20. And 3 times 9 is 27. That is the answer to the first one. Alright, let's do the second one. Look, I'm going to keep the column there so I don't have to keep rewriting it. So, second one, we've got 5/6 divided by 3/7. Yeah, so we're going to keep the first one, change the symbol, and flip the last fraction. Yeah, now we times it out. So 5 times 7 is 35. And 6 times 3 is 18. Yeah? And you can leave it as a top-heavy fraction. It's not that deep. Yeah? You did the multiplication that you needed to do. Yeah? So it's 35 over 18. Cool. Let's do the last one. We've got 13 tenths divided by a half. Yeah? So we're going to keep the first one. Ooh, can I put it in? We're going to change the symbol, the division symbol, to a multiplication one, and then we're going to flip this last fraction. Yeah? And then we do our calculation again. So 13 times 2 is 26, and then 10 times 1 is 10. We can leave it like that, but because it's divided by 10, we can do place value. So let's be a little fancy and write 2.6. Yeah? So that's the answer to the last one. And there we go. So that was dividing fractions. If you found anything in this video useful, please like and subscribe. And check out my other fundamental maths video, which is adding and subtracting negative numbers without a calculator. Well done today, and I'll see you next week.